Hello, tech enthusiasts. Daniel here, your favorite tech guy, back with more insights. Today's topic hits close to home for many: what to do if you can't download programs or applications on your computer. It might seem daunting, but with the right steps, you'll conquer this challenge in no time. From browsers to operating systems, there are many factors that could cause this issue. We'll dive into several methods, so grab your thinking caps, and let's jump right in. Update your operating system. Keeping your operating system up to date is vital for functionality and security. If you haven't updated in a while, this could be the culprit. Try a different browser. Sometimes, the problem lies with the browser itself. If you're having trouble downloading with one, try another. Chrome, Firefox, Safari, there are plenty to choose from. Check download settings. Your browser or firewall settings might block downloads from unknown sources. Investigate these settings and tweak them if necessary. Just be cautious, as being too lenient might expose your system to risks. Scan for malware. Malware could be hindering your ability to download files. Run a full system scan using a reputable antivirus program to ensure that your computer is clean. Check disk space. Running out of disk space? This could prevent new downloads. Delete unnecessary files or use tools like Disk Cleanup on Windows to free up space. Administrative rights and group policies. If you're on a shared or company computer, group policies might restrict downloads. Consult your IT department if this might be the case. Try a download manager. Download managers can sometimes bypass issues with regular downloads. Tools like Free Download Manager or Internet Download Manager are worth trying. Network settings. If the network settings are incorrect, downloads may fail. Resetting the network settings to default might solve the problem. Conclusion. And there you have it. A comprehensive look at some of the most common, and some not so common, solutions to a rather perplexing problem. Remember, patience is key, and sometimes persistence will pay off. If you found value in this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tech wisdom. Comments and suggestions are always welcome below. Until our next digital adventure, I'm Daniel, your tech guy. Keep tinkering.